अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहु। अय्युहा तुल्लाबिल इज़्ज़ा, कैफ़ हालुकुम, कैफ़ अख़बारुकुम, हल अंतुम फ़िल खैर? नाम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, नदू इलल्लाहि तआला अलल खैरि वल आफ़िया। आर यू रेडी? हल अंतुम मुस्तइद्दून लिद्दिरासा? नाम फ़ी दर्सिल माली नदरुसु ونفهم عن جائزة نوبل عن توكل كرمان. We prepared بيان الشخصيات وترجمة الحياة عن توكل كرمان. ثم نفهم المنظومة فتاة العصر ونفهم بالتاء المربوطة والتاء المبسوطة. Then we discussed about the poet Ashair Muhammad bin Sa'd Dabbal. Today we can start the unit 4 Al-Wahdatu Rabi'a. اليوم نبدأ الوحدة الرابعة الطفولة فجر الحياة. الطفولة فجر الحياة. الوحدة الرابعة. We can start today. We can start unit 4. الوحدة الرابعة الطفولة فجر الحياة. الطفولة فجر الحياة. الطفولة childhood. तुफूलत माना हो तुफूलत चाइल्डहुड. तुफूलत वहदतु राबिया तुफूलत फजरुल हयात. फजर मॉर्निंग. फजर मॉर्निंग. अल हयात लाइफ. फजरुल हयात. तुफूलत फजरुल हयात. The childhood. तुफूलत माना हो childhood. Childhood is the morning of life. Childhood is the morning of life. Fajr morning, al hayat life. In this unit has 4 chapters. In this unit so al wahdatu fi wahdatu rabi'a arba'u durusin. Kam kanat farhati लैतहु ज़हब इलल मद्रसा अल औदतु इलल हयाती ज़ुहूर दुनिया. These are the units of chapters of in this unit. Today we can discuss about the first lesson. Kam kanat farhati. Kam kanat farhati. Here in this picture, who is this person? Who is this person? هل ترى هذه الصورة? هل ترى هذه الصورة? Do you know who is this person? Yes, Kailash Satyarthi. ما اسم هذا الرجل? ما اسم هذا الرجل? What is the name of this person? Yes, Kailash Satyarthi. لما اشتهر هذا الرجل؟ لما اشتهر؟ لما اشتهر هذا الرجل؟ Yes, السعي لخير الأطفال. السعي لخير الأطفال. Then he won the Nobel Prize. He won Nobel Prize. قد حصل على جائزة نوبل. कैलाश सत्यार्थी حصل على جائزة نوبل. لأي خدمة حصل على جائزة نوبل؟ لأي خدمة؟ أي خدمة على جائزة نوبل لكيلاش सत्यार्थी? Yes, لسلامة طفلة. We can read this news. It is a news, flash news, then we can read Nushahidul Shasha wa nakra'u. Nushahidu Shasha, look at this screen. It is a screen. Then we can learn wa nakra'u. Jaizatu Nobel li salami lil Hindi. Jaizatu Nobel li salami lil Hindi. Kailash Satyarthi asai li salamatil atfali minal amala. قال كيلاش ساتيارثي أقدم هذا التكريم لكل طفل يعيش في بلاد الهند. It is a flash news. Then read جائزة نوبل للسلام للهند. Hindi, Indian. It is a, he is an Indian. Indian wins Nobel Prize. Kailash Satyarthi asai li salamatil atufali minal amala. Kailash Satyarthi in an effort to protect from the child labor. Amalat, child labor. Li salamatil atufal, to protect the children, to protect the children from the child labor. Amalat, child labor. Qala Kailash Satyarthi, Kailash Satyarthi said, Uqaddimu hadha takreem, I dedicate this award. Uqaddimu, I dedicate, hadha takreem, this award, li kulli tiflin, to all children. Yaishu fi biladil Hind, Yaishu, living, fi biladil Hind, in India. I dedicate this award to all children living in India. It is a flash news. Then listen. Amalat, alfalun jadida. Amalat, childhood. Amalat, childhood. Amalat, childhood. Sorry, amalat, child labor. Amalat, child labor. Then here some questions we can discuss about these questions and write the answers in your notebook. في أي مجال يعمل هذا الرجل الفاضل. في أي مجال يعمل في هذا الرجل الفاضل. في أي مجال, in which field? Yes, in which field does he work? Li salamatil atfal. Kailash Satyarthi asai li salamatil atfali minal amala. Li salamatil atfali minal amalat. Then ma hiya huququl atfal? Ma hiya al huququl atfal? What are the rights of children? Huquq, rights. Huququl atfal, rights of children. Ma hiya huququl atfal? Yes. What are the rights of children? Food, dress, house. Yes. Then in Arabic, at-ta'am, al-kiswat, maskan. At-ta'am, kiswat, maskan. Then next question. Lima nahtafilu bi'eedil atfali kulli sana. Eidul Atfal ma'nahu Children's Day. Eidul Atfal, Children's Day. Eidul Atfal, Children's Day. Children's Day. Eidul Atfal, Children's Day. Lima nahtafilu bi'eedil atfali kulli sana. In every year we are conduct the Children's Day in every year. For what? Yes, yes, liwa'i an huquqil atfali fil mujtama. Lilwa'i an huquqil atfali lil mujtama. Here Kailash Satyarthi won the Jaizat Nobel or Nobel Prize for Salam, for peace, Salam Atufali. Here, then we can discuss the next page. Kam Kanat Farhati. Kam Kanat Farhati. We learn two pupils are one is the Kailash Satyarthi and another Tawakkul Karman. They are won Jaizat Nobel Prize. They are won Jaizat Nobel for peace. Kailash Satyarthi and Tawakkul Karman. Kailash Satyarthi wa Tawakkul Karman hasalu ala Jaizat Nobel li salam. Okay, then listen the next page. Listen here. Kam Kanat Farhati. It is a mufakkira diary. It is a diary. Kam Kanat Farhati. It is mufakkira. Listen. It is mufakkira. Kam Kanat Farhati. It is writing Fuad. Written by Fuad. This mufakkira written by Fuad. What is saying Fuad? We are reading Kam Kanat Farhati. Okay, Kam Kanat Farhati. Tufulatul Wahdatul Rabia Tufulatul Fajrul Hayate. First chapter Kam Kanat Farhati. Okay, we discussed or we read the flash news. Then next chapter Kam Kanat Farhati. Kam Kanat Farhati. Farh happy. Farh happy. Kam Kanat Farhati. What a joyful I was. Kam Kanat Farhati. What a joyful. Kam Kanat Farhati. Listen. Date. Written this diary on 2015 October 11th. Kam Kanat Farhati. What a joy I was. Hina Dani da called. Hina Dani, when I called Mudirul Muqata'ati. Muqata'ati district. Mudirul Muqata'ati district collector. Lil Julusi to sit alal masrahi on stage. District collector, when I called district collector to sit on stage. Masrah stage. Julus sit. Jalasa sit. Julus to sit. Mudirul Muqata'at district collector. Wamtala'a qalbi bil masarra. Wamtala'a qalbi. My heart is fulfilled. Bil masarrat. Masroor. Masarrat with happy, joy, enjoy. Okay. Wamtala'a qalbi bil masarrati. My heart is fulfilled of happy. Hina safahani al wazirul ra'isil mukarram. Wazirul ra'isil mukarram. Mukarram honorable. Wazirul Rais chief minister. When honorable chief minister shake hand with me. Shake hand with me. At that time my heart is fulfilled of happy. Falat aynaya bibalil farah. Bibalil farah. Flowing tears with joy. Falat flowing aynaya to my eyes. Bibalil farah with joy, with happy. Flowing tears with happy. Indama jalastu amamal haflil kareem. When I was sitting in front of a great audience. Haflul kareem, great audience. Indama jalastu, when I sit amamal haflil kareem, in front of a great audience. Adhkuru dhalika rajulul falil alladhi badala juhudahu li ajli saadatil atfali uqaddimu lahu aharra tahani wa tabrikat. Adhkuru dhalika rajul, adhkuru I remembering, dhalika rajulul falil, that great person, alladhi badala juhudahu li ajli saadatil atfal, he is working for happiness of children. Uqaddimu lahu aharra tahani wa tabrikat. I dedicate to him greetings and congrats. Tahani, greetings. Tabrikat, congratulations. Adhkuru dhalika rajulul falil, I remembered that great person, alladhi badala juhudahu li ajli saadatil atfal, he was working, who is the working for the children's happiness of children. Li saadat, happiness, saadatil atfal, happiness of children. Uqaddimu lahu, I dedicate to him aharra tahani wa tabrikat. Tahani, greetings. Tabrikat, congratulations. I dedicate to him greetings and congrats. Here Fuad, written by Fuad. Man kataba hadihil mufakkira. Man kataba, who is written? Yes, written by Fuad. Katabatil mufakkira Fuad. Then some questions here. We can read this question. Man da'a Fuadan ilal masrahi. Answer in this mufakkira. Man da'a, who called to Fuad to sitting the stage? Yes, Mudirul Muqata, district collector. Mudirul Muqata. Listen, Mudirul Muqata, district collector. Mudirul Muqata, district collector. District collector. District collector. Mudirul Muqatat, district collector. Man da'a Fuad ilal masrahi. Masrah, stage. Masrah, stage. Who called to stage? Who called Fuad to sitting stage? Sitting on stage. Yes, Mudirul Muqatat. Aina jalasa Fuad. Aina, where? Jalasa, where is sitting? Fuad, sitting on stage in front of great audience. Amama haflil kareem. Jalasa Fuad amamal haflil kareem. Man safaha Fuad. Man safaha Fuad. Yes, safaha Fuad al wazirur ra'isil kareem mukarram. Wazirur ra'isil mukarram, chief minister. Lima qaddama Fuad at-tahiyyat lirajulil falil. Write in your notebook in these questions and answers. Then the word Mudirul Alfalun Jadida, Mudirul Muqatat, district collector. Then Wazirul Rais, chief minister. Wazirul Rais. Wazirul Rais, chief minister. Okay. Mudirul Muqatat, district collector. Wazirul Rais, chief minister. Then next exercise, next activity. Noidu barnamaj li haflatin jarat li takrim fuad. Noidu barnamaj. Here we can prepare a program list, program notice. Li haflati jarat li takrim fuad. I show a chart for you. Here it is a report of Fuad. It is a li takrim Fuad. Here listen. Listen, it is a report, a meeting. Then we can prepare a barnamaj. It is a program list, program notice we can prepare, inshallah. Then first read this report. Jarat haflat li takrimi fuad alladhi anqadha tifla min amalatil atfali masaa yawmil ahadi fi qa'atil madrasa. افتتح الحفلة الوزير الرئيس. افتتح الحفلة وزير الرئيس رئيس المكرم. ورأس الحفلة عضو المجلس التشريعي. افتتح الوزير الرئيس المكرم رأس الحفلة عضو المجلس التشريعي. رحب رئيس المجلس القروي. رحب welcome speech. Rahaba welcomes Rais al-Majlis al-Qarawi bil luyufil kiram, guest. Luyufil kiram, guest. Alqa kalimatu tahani mudirul muqata'ati wa udhuvil majlisil qarawi. Alqa kalimatu tahani mudirul muqata'at wa udhuvil majlisil qarawi. Wa nalirul madrasati khat shukr. Nalirul madrasati khat shukr. School leader, vote of thanks of school leader. Then kalimatu tahani mudirul muqatati, district collector, wa uluvul majlisil qarawi, the member. Okay. Then rahaba raisul majlisil qarawi bil luyufil karam. Rahaba welcomes, welcome speech. Who is Raisul Majlisil Qarawi. Then Ra'sul Haflat. Ra'sul Haflat Uluvil Majlis Tashri'a. Uluvil Majlis Tashri'a. Then Iftataha, inauguration. This program inaugurated by Al-Wazirur Rais. Wazirur Raisil Mukarram, Honorable Chief Minister. Okay. Fi Makan Fi Qa'atil Madrasa. Fi Qa'atil Madrasa. We can prepare the Barnamaj program notice. Okay. Nu'iddu barnamajan li haflati jarat li takrimi fuad. Barnamaj heading is the program list. Barnamaj, the heading is the Barnamaj. Then first kalimatu tarhib, welcome speech. Kalimatu tarhib, welcome speech. Who is the welcome speech? Who is in ala law adhil mudakkira nu'iddu barnamaj. Kalimatul tarhib. First kalimatu tarhib, welcome speech. Who is the welcome speech? Rahaba Raisul Majlisil Qarawi. Kalimatu tarhib Raisul Majlisil Qarawi. Raisul Majlis. Okay. Then Ar-Rais. head of this meeting. Rais, leader of this meeting. Who is رأس الحفلة عضو المجلس التشريع. عضو المجلس التشريع. Then الافتتاح. افتتاح inauguration. افتتح هذه الحفلة وزير الرئيس المكرم. وزير الرئيس المكرم. افتتح الحفلة الوزير الرئيس المكرم. افتتاح وزير الرئيس المكرم. Then كلمات التهاني. كلمات التهاني speeching greeting. Speech the greetings. كلمات التهاني. مدير المقاطعات. كلمات التهاني مدير المقاطعات وعضو المجلس القروي. مدير المقاطعات district collector وعضو المجلس القروي. The village member. وناظر المدرسة خط الشكر. خط الشكر كلمة الشكر word of thanks. Who? ناظر المدرسة school leader. Then we prepared the barnamij. Okay, write in your notebook. Then next activity, كيف إذا حصلنا على مثل هذا التكريم. كيف إذا حصلنا على مثل هذا التكريم. نتخيل ونعيد مفكرة على ضوء الأسئلة التالية. We can imagine or we can write a مفكرة على ضوء الأسئلة التالية. The following questions. First one, متى حصلت على التكريم. متى حصلت على التكريم. متى حصلت على التكريم. Then second question, في أي مكان جرت الحفلة. في أي مكان جرت الحفلة. Then من أقام الحفلة. من أقام الحفلة. من شارك في تلك الحفلة. من شارك في تلك الحفلة. من قدم لك الجائزة. من قدم لك الجائزة. ما سبب هذا التكريم. ما سبب هذا التكريم. Then write these question answers and write a mufakkira about your experience. Okay, write a mufakkira about your experience. Then I think all of you understand this chapter. Kam kanat farhati. This is a mufakkira and we discuss about Kailash Satyarthi. He won the Nobel Prize for peace li salamatil atfal. Hasala ala jaizati Nobel li salamatil atfal. Kailash Satyarthi. He is an Indian. Okay. Then we are read the mufakkira about written by Fuad and we prepare the barnamij, the program list. Barnamij, we prepared the barnamij. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Okay, then we are going to learn the next chapter. Laytahu dhahaba ilal madrasa. Laytahu, listen, it is a report of Fuad. Okay, then the next chapter, laytahu dhahaba ilal madrasa. Laytahu dhahaba ilal madrasa. Dhahaba ilal madrasa. ലൈതഹു ദഹബ ഇലൽ മദ്രസ നഖ്റഉൽ ഹിക്കായ വനുദ്രികു. It is an hikaya. Hikaya. Naqra'u. We can read this lesson. Listen. Ra'a Fuad. Ra'a saw. See. Ra'a yara see. Saw. Ra'a Fuad waladan. Fuad saw a boy. Yamshi tahta harri shamsi. He is walking in the sun. Harri shams in the sun. He is walking in the sun. Wahuwa yabiu. He sells. Ba'a yabiu selling. Al akiyas kisun jamhu akiyas bag. He sells bag. Fi suqil Madina. He sells bags. Fi suqil Madina in market at town. He sells the bags at market town. Okay. Wahuwa yabiul akiyasu fi suqil Madina. He sells the bags at town market. Suq market, al Madinat town. Wakana yalbisu. He wearing qamisan, a shirt, al ahmar, red colored shirt. Ahmar, red color. He wearing a red colored shirt and wa bantalunan aswad and a black pants. Wa bantalunan aswad. Ahmar red, aswad black. Bantalun pants. Wa ala wajhihi basmatun la tufariquhu. There was a smile on his face. Wa ala wajhihi, in his face, basmatun, a smile, la tufariquhu, that not leaving. Yalharu min tafa'ulihi. It is an evidence of in his face. Annahu masrurun jiddan bihalihi. He is very happy. Yalharu min tafa'ulihi. His behavior, in his behavior, we appeared in his face with happy and enjoy. He is very happy in his behavior in his face. Appears in face with happy. Masroor, happy. Miskinun. That boy was miskinun, poor. Hada saghirun, and he is small and poor. He was a small and poor boy. That boy was a poor and small. Then nahilul jism. Nahilul jism, lean body, skeletal body. Nahilul jism, lean body. Lam yatajawaz ashra sanawatin. Lam yatajawaz ashra sanawatin. Not yet in 10 years. Ashra sanawatin. Qala fi nafsi. Qala fi nafsi. He says to himself, Ana anamu. I am sleeping. Fil firashin naimi hadi'an hani'an. I am sleeping in my bed or in my bed, on my bed with peace and calm. Okay, hadi'an and hani'an. I am sleeping on bed with peace and calm. Atanavilu ta'aman shahiyan ma'al usra. I eat with my family with pleasure. Hani'an. Atanavalu ta'aman shahiyan ma'al usra. Ma'al usra, usrat family. Shahiyan with pleasure. La shakka, no doubt. Anna dhalikal waladu, that boy yastaykilu mubakkiran. He wake up early. He wake up early in the morning. That boy was wake up in early morning. Wayaruhu ila suq. Then he went going to market. Wake up in morning, early morning, and yaruhu ila souk, leaving to market or going to market. ويعمل طوال النهار. He is working طوال النهار, all day. He is working in all day. ليته قد ذهب إلى المدرسة. ليته قد ذهب إلى المدرسة. How good it was. He is going to school. If he went to school. How is good if he went to school. Then ذكرت ذلك السعي الذي وقف جهوده لخير الأطفال. ذكرت, I remembered ذلك السعي, at that person الذي وقف جهوده لخير الأطفال, who is working for the good of children or the children's for best. فدنوت, I called من ذلك الولد, that boy. وبحثت عن أحواله, I asked about his life. وأخبرني, he informed عن إخراجه من البيت, about kicked from house. وعلى الفور, suddenly اتصلت بشرطي يسكن بجوار بيتي, I contacted with the police living near my home. Then here some new words I write here, then you write in your notebook. Kisun jamuhu akiyas. Kisun jamuhu akiyas. Akiyasun bag. Kisun akiyasun bag. Then kamisun shirt. Kamisun shirt. Kamisun shirt. Then bantaloon pants. Kisun akiyasun bag, kamisun shirt, bantaloon pants. Then we discuss about this exercise. نتخيل ونعبر عما حدث فيها. What happened after that? We can imagine what happened after that. نلاحظ أجزاء الصور ونختار من النص جملا توافقها. نلاحظ أجزاء الصور. Please look at this picture and the نختار من النص جملا توافقها. Here the sleeping on his bed. أنا أنام في الفراش الناعم هادئا هنيئا. Then next here asking or telling to a police. اتصلت بشرطي يسكن جوار بيتي. Then نتخيل لو نرى ولدا يتسول في السوق. We imagine when you see the begging in market. A boy was begging in a market. فكيف نتفاعل معه؟ نعد بيانا على ضوء النقاط التالية. نعد بيانا, we can prepare a bayan على, we can prepare a paragraph على ضوء نقاط التالية, these following points. أعضاء الأسرة, الوصول إلى السوق, الطعام والشراب, وظيفة الوالدين, المكان والمنزل, التربية, النوم, عنوان المنزل. These are the points of bayan. Here റഅയ്ന മസാഅൽ യൗമി വലദൻ യതസവ്വലു ഫിസ്സൂഖി. റഅയ്ന മസാഅൽ യൗമി വലദൻ യതസവ്വലു ഫിസ്സൂഖി. റഅയ്ന we saw മസാഅൽ യൗമി at evening വലദൻ a boy യതസവ്വലു ഫിസ്സൂഖി he is begging in market. ഫസഅൽനാഹു we asked to him an ahwalihi fasa'alnahu we can fill in the blanks, we can prepare a bayan an ahwalihi fasa'alnahu an ahwalihi faqala al walad. I asked or we asked to his life and then replied to me. faqala al waladu baiti bi qurbil masjidi fil qaryati. baiti bi qarbil masjidi fil qaryati. mata walidi qabla sanataini. mata walidi qabla sanataini wa ummi marila wa fi usrati salasati awlad. Okay, then taraktu dirasa ba'da safir rabia. taraktu dirasa ba'da safir rabia wasaltu ila suqi bisababil faqri. Okay, this is the bayan. It is a paragraph about this in these points of following. Okay, then please write in your notebook. We can prepare the paragraph ala law in nikati taliya. Okay, I think all of you understand this chapter. Laytahu dhahaba ilal madrasa. Inshallah, see you on next class. Shukran lakum.